How to make money online. In this video, I'll show you realistic ways to make money online in 2026, even if you're starting with little or no experience. The good news is that most online opportunities only require a smartphone or computer and internet access. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Method 1. Freelancing. You can offer services like graphic design, video editing, and content writing. The more skills you develop, the more you can charge. Method 2. Start a YouTube channel. You can create videos about tech, tutorials, education, and entertainment. Once your channel grows, you can earn from adverts, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Method 3. Use AI to offer services. You can use tools like ChatGPT to help with writing, research, and content creation. The key is using AI to provide valuable services faster. Method 4. Social media management. Many businesses struggle to maintain their social media presence. You can help them by creating posts and scheduling content. Small businesses are often willing to pay monthly fees for this service. Method 5. Graphic design. Using tools like Canva, you can create flyers, thumbnails, and business cards. Many small businesses need these services regularly. Method 6. Affiliate marketing. This means earning commissions when people buy products through your recommendation links. You can promote software, courses, gadgets, and online services. When someone purchases through your link, you earn a commission. Method 7. Sell digital products. Digital products can generate income without inventory. Examples include ebooks, templates, and presets. Create once and sell repeatedly. Method 8. Build websites for small businesses. You can create simple websites for restaurants, salons, schools, and small shops. This can become a profitable service. Method 9. Online teaching or coaching. If you know something valuable, you can teach it. Examples: computer skills, video editing, and language lessons. People pay for knowledge that helps them solve problems. Method 10. Content creation on multiple platforms. You can create content for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. As your audience grows, more income opportunities become available. Focus on one path before trying multiple income streams. If this video helped you understand how to make money online, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.